In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce for sales management. We'll explore the essential steps needed to harness its full potential effectively. Let's dive in and unravel the power of Salesforce for your sales processes. First, start by logging into Salesforce. This might seem straightforward, but ensuring you have the right credentials and that your access is set up correctly is crucial. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the heart of your sales operations by opening the Sales app. This is where all the magic happens. It's your gateway to manage all aspects of your sales processes and customer interactions. Now, an essential aspect of Salesforce is managing accounts and contacts for your customers. Within the Sales app, you can create new accounts for every organization you deal with. Alongside, you'll manage contacts. These are the individuals at each organization you're in touch with. By organizing these details, you maintain a clear record of your customer relationships, their preferences, and interactions, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Next, let's talk about tracking opportunities. Opportunities are potential future sales, and Salesforce lets you manage these closely. You can add stages to each opportunity to reflect where they are in the sales process, specify expected revenue to evaluate their potential, and set close dates to prioritize your efforts. With this structured approach, you can focus your time where it's most needed and forecast revenue more accurately. Maintaining a well-coordinated schedule is key, which brings us to utilizing the Salesforce calendar for managing follow-ups and meetings. This feature helps you avoid missing vital interactions with customers or neglecting important tasks. Organize your schedule smartly to stay on top of all your commitments. Moving forward, generating reports and dashboards is a crucial feature. You'll be able to track various aspects like your sales pipeline, team performance, and key sales metrics. This visualization not only supports informed decision-making, but also empowers you to keep your strategies aligned with your goals. To increase efficiency, use Salesforce's automation tools, like Flows or Process Builder, to handle repetitive tasks. Automating certain activities frees up your time, allowing you to concentrate on more strategic tasks that require your attention and expertise. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of collaboration using Salesforce. With tools like Chatter and the ability to share records, you can facilitate teamwork and communication. Sharing insights and pooling resources among your sales team can lead to more innovative solutions and improve performance across the board. As you implement these steps, remember that Salesforce is a flexible tool designed to scale with your needs. The more you integrate it into your day-to-day operations, the more intuitive it will become. With practice, these processes will not just enhance your workflow, but also drive your sales success to new heights.